Alright, this is building number 8 here at Disney's Pop Century Resort, which is the 1990s building. And you're greeted by a massive computer, a classic one. And these are the elevators. Got more Fujitec elevators with Otis Series M2 bug replacements. Got this elevator to ride. Go to 4. Here about 4. Door's a little bit rough. I don't know if you saw it or not, but the indicator was kind of glitching out. Back down to 1. Yeah, that door can use a little bit of help. It is really rough when it opens. Send this elevator away, we'll try to get the left car. And here's the left elevator. Lantern works. Go to 4. That button's starting to fall off a little bit. Here on 4. Back down to 1. Door post button works. Overall, these are the same as all the other elevators. There's your air freshener, floor indicator, certificate, Series M2 bump replacements by Otis. This is elevator 1, passing starting 100. Got no phone. The only thing different in these is the color of the back, which is blue to represent the 1990s decade. Oh, sorry about that. Here you are.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. There's your man tower elevator. And now we'll watch the elevator close up and leave. And that'll be it for these elevators.